a SWAT team. Bad girl storm, you know. Give me the weed, gun ganja weed, but I burn it down, you win. Jigs the king, I sing, give me the weed. Now you me know. Bad girl storm, we find a ganja from body man. SWAT team, become myself, you know. That's right there, you know. Mad, no. Bad, you know.
Pay me back. Me send back the money, go give Puss our money. Me I tell your sister, it a gonna be an end one day. So me go so now, boom now, right? Where me say Puss, you think me I eat that in England? Kimora! Kim! Oh, wait there. Kimora! Kemar! Kimora, make her back for call you for me, please. Because she want her back soon come, mama. So I'm going to say now, boom now. Watch right here. Wait there, I put her some upon. So she lock off my light and get out my room. Yeah. Bam. Cause I know, boom now. I say Puss. My have to tell people the truth. When I went on her live and she just step on this one person, me insist to find you cause me want hear your side and trust me, you sound more legit. Candice legit from the day my born, me real. Anyway, she get back her money and when me look at you go that, send me a message pan Facebook Messenger. Oh, you come disrespect my woman. You come have an attitude to my woman. You come like cockroach. You can't read her right. You go, oh, you say me can't read her right. What you talk about you go? Me not gonna tell nobody say I'm full of blood clot education. But me not gonna say me blood clot, big up yourself, Lish. Me not gonna say my name pan a bulla like Tanya. Tanya me I come to you to call. Don't call my mother name in your blood clot lean mouth. Anyway, I go so boom now. Big up yourself, Lush, baby. I said to him, I bust up some liberty. Alright, oh, you gonna know about the PayPal between me and her? Big up yourself, TG. Why? She could have made the PayPal between me and her. He don't know that the woman is a thief. She's a fraudist. The woman take God out for the cross and she don't have no PayPal. When me send her about the PayPal when she did the pan rubber dub and she put up PayPal for people put money in her in it for her, nobody never give no donation because them hate you. But yeah, sell Betty Boo t-shirt. Post, nobody no buy no t-shirt from you. You understand? Because nobody know why you get them blood clot address and then information to fraud them. Bam no. You understand the boy you cuss and hear him now? That's why Janet tell me this. And me bad mind. You know what get me cross? Post what my bad mind you for your ugliness. What my bad mind you for your fake blood clot Versace furniture them where you buy off of Alibaba. Post your furniture them don't even new. Them a blood clot second hand. So what the fuck me a blood clot grudge you for? Yeah, my brother no. You grudge Janet because Janet have real. Hear me now? Yo, me gonna dig up them something there, you know. Me gonna dig them up. Come have them. Hear him. Janet have real Versace furniture in our house. Me laughed, me nearly dead. So me laugh, me say, real. But you have to understand, you know, him don't know. He don't know about real or blood clot fake. So she saw me heap of fake blood clot Versace furniture though. But she buy off of Alibaba. And then she have say, them real, oh, my dining room table for 25,000. My setting chair for 36,000. Like, why I would have spent so much money? That could have buy a house, Puss. Puss say in total, our whole furniture them come up to 200,000. Puss, that could have buy a blood clot mansion. That could have buy a mansion and furnish it. Pussy blood clot. So him now a woman rich. My woman rich and rare. I mean know what? You know why I never want me talk to her. Me I tell you, it start from my brother, you know. You see my brother? You see my brother never make problem. Hey, baby girl. I'm on the live right now, but I have the problem, because you're upset. You're upset over me on the live, but you will do anything. Hey, see your back here. You understand? Bring more of the orange there. Bam now. He might cost me say, woman rich, this, that. I said to him, say, I'm talk this already. Come drink your back, mama. Yeah, listen, vibes start here. Cherish your dance. I go so now, man. I say, what did that blood clot eat that boy? If you know say, that girl they don't have nothing. Bam now. I cut him off. Me and my mother cut him off. We not deal with him. Bam, the prison call me and say, you know, your brother is gonna go home at such and such. Ray. You go there Jamaica 2 weeks. Me know you know. She call my phone. Oh, remember say me I'm next of kin, you know that me I tell you say this woman. Told me no man. The way this girl fully blood clot done, you know. Oh, somebody for me, somebody next of kin. If the person that I lack, and me I go get the blood clot call. Anything when them put him down in the docks, when him a fight and a cuss the water and them call me and say, Mrs. Lloyd, you know, Hugo Williams is at the dock for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. He's not allowed visitor and he don't allow phone call. So don't call in to make for visit him. You understand? So me get the call. Me know say him there Jamaica. People, me try my best not to say nothing because me I try to make the peace. People, me tell you no. Me try my utterly best for you go. Me and Puss no go down that road, but me tell you something. Puss demonize our own flesh and blood, our own kids. Them who is me for she blood clot demonize. So here I one day call me. She did and she talk. Oh, me tell you say you go to Jamaica and you go the blood clot clothes them and you go have Puss. Me know every clothes him have and me buy them. And me order them out of the catalog. And me, cause you could have it, call them and them send the clothes them deliver the clothes them to the prison. And every month him allow 2 pants or a tracksuit and a shoes and underpants and socks and marina and them something. So she depend all she talking on me silent. When me and I kick up here go, you go to your Jamaica, no. Liar tell bitch. Liar tell me no long time. But you know what? Me I try for peace, real me I say, if me don't talk to you go, if mommy not talk to you go, she not have nothing for say we say and we do. You don't know say the same week when him dead there for 2 weeks, you know. She called me, I think she called me there Monday straight. But you know when somebody a pick your brain, here I call me. Tanya, me try to use the card and the card now allow me to use. Cause she want to pay me, I tell you so that woman, yeah. She train herself to demonize people, you know, me I tell you, you know. Me say to her, I say, Puss, we are talk about. Me not lock down the account. Cause me can make the account lock down. Me say to her, I say, no, the account not lock down. So one letter just come. You see when I open the letter and look, my sister she go draw the money. She draw the 2,000. Well, it wasn't 2,000, it was 1,750. Cause remember say me the draw the 250 out of it already. So me say, look how that woman had just one problem. Me say, Father God, keep on me mouth. Don't say nothing to her. You don't know so the Wednesday now me I got blood clot college now. When me I got college, Puss ring me, but me did up on the phone. I talk. Why me I go college? Me remember who me I talk to, but me I talk to somebody. When me in her, me ring her back, but you know, she answer. No, she never answer. Cause she up to her plotting and her deceiving. See about clear, mama? She up to her plotting and her deceiving and her wickedness. What's wrong? Leave your father phone and start the problem. So, same time in the classroom, my mother called me and said, Tanya, you don't know, say, because remember, say, me reach a school 9 o'clock. So, you know, say 19. About 3 o'clock, Jamaica time. My mother said, Tanya, you don't know, say, like she said an hour ago, you go call me, pa, messenger, and cuss me. She tell me, call your mother and cuss her. Call her and cuss her. Him cuss my mother, dirty woman, stinking pussy woman. You can never be like my woman. My mother said she hear she, but she dep on the phone, you know. While him call mommy, you know, she dep on one another phone, cause 2 phones she give him. Matter of fact, she give him 3 phones. She did try to buy out my big brother, but it never work. Bam now him dep on the phone and I cuss my mother. And my mother say, you go, me never argue with you. Yeah? Till the way the cussing was so intense, my mother said, tell the blood clot woman they wear pussy come like what she there England. How much years and no man no look on her. Tell her say she for make you dig out the blood clot cobweb. My mother more bad just like me. And if you poof out the woman to rat, the woman is gonna retaliate because everybody are feeling. My mother start bring her blood clot down now. Mr. Mommy, me call about. Me call Puss. Mr. Puss, what you deal with? What you talk about? What you Mr. Puss, my mother here upon the phone, you know. Why you do this, Puss? Me not, I'm swear upon my grandparents them life. I'm swear upon my parents them life. Me never do that. That's a shagwan. See, I start to leg up my mouth on her. Me say when the word then lick her, she bolt off of the blood clot phone and run. Of course, she can't be like his mom, your mom. Exactly, nurse. She run off of the phone and boom, send me 25 voice note in a minute. Cause that's how she puts a coward, puss only can stay behind phone and them thing that run off her blood clot mouth. If me appear in front of Puss right now, Puss melt. Puss ball and beg me not to beat her. Bam now. Via voice note. That's what she said. Me say, move your blood clot and go away. Ushman want you. Ushman blood clot want you. You know, say you got madman. You know, say it's an insane blood clot man that. Me say, Puss, why you want destroy my family? Why you want disrespect my mother? My mother not trouble you. All because when me make you talk to mommy, you know, here Puss I go tell my mother. The girl when near my man that we go to the shop, help out my mother at the shop. Miss Bev, me not lie. You're not for make you come to your shop. My mother say, you can't tell me that. Suppose we ain't really said to my mother. Cause we up on the tree rep on WhatsApp. No, but the girl do it. My mother said, listen to me. See that little girl? Me and her father was friend. She born in my hand. But she don't have woman watch. A man cuss them mother. But Tanya, you supposed to know better. You know hear where the name post. Talk truth. Me not like me they like her. I swear to God, me they like her. You understand? So me I tell you say, she cuss up boom
Live
boom.
a countdown.
Me I
Like
come
a
back.
countdown.
Me nah
Yeah.
stop talk. To the name talk blood clot truth again, Puss. I mean not itch. I mean talk this already, you know. So the people them know no lie me I tell you know. Yeah,
Songstar and C Plus.
Hey everybody. We're waiting on Tanya. Okay, we're back.
Yeah. So anyway now, the woman just dip on me and my mother and my kids them. My black her. But me no black her on one other Facebook come I have. She coming on my inbox and Lego 50 odd message. I talk about my kids them. You put them pussy stink. IG me say over here so no IG and I saw she a go on, you know, she and you go, you know. So me go so now, bam, right? Me call her. My unblock her and call her. I say, Puss, where you depend? Puss, where you feel disrespect my kids them? Wait. You hear me? I'm not saying about your kids. Me send them go get her. The one them a shop. Ring so they bit the them. I have them pan messenger. I said them gonna give my best friend, Baby Lee. Them time remember me introduce Baby Lee to Puss. And Baby Lee and Puss school. And Baby Lee call Puss with me on the line. And I said, Puss, how you for say them thing about Tanya kids them? Me not understand how the kids them get involved in this madness. She depend. Um, me no know how this up man rare because she a cuss me, Puss, me a cuss you. Me never mention your kids them. Me a cuss you. Bam now. She a try to apologize. Me raise her up. Me say me cannot accept this. I remember I know she apologized, you know, and she come back on the internet, come do worse. So her apology, she see how I was upset with her talking about my kids. Boom, now me did it one day. Me not forget the day. Me look, me say, Erica Sanders send you one friend request on Facebook. Me know right away. Me not eat that. Me know she chat me. Remember me and Erica over Puss for over a year. And Erica never send me a friend request or for Instagram, nor Facebook. So me know say for me see her do it, me know say something not right. Boom no. She add me, my add her. She come in my inbox and say, Tanya, I have a group. You want to come tonight? And I say, no problem. Really and truly, me never want to go into the group, and it was a Friday. My heart was up, my pregnant, you know. And I want to tell you, I could have feel the baby in me stand up because the woman had this me innocent baby them, you know, and I tear down my baby father, you know. Boom, no. Me not lie, people, me I talk the truth. Because I know when Erica put me in the group, Puss was in the group, you know. And me act like say, I know me not act. Me never go come. Me never share the message them in the group, you know. Me never share the message of them, you know. And me say, okay, leave. And me say, Erica, I want to talk to you. You busy? She said, me have it in my chat. Father God as my witness, me I tell you exactly how it go. Now I tell her like Erica. She said, give me a moment. But when she said so, she go call Puss. I said, Puss, Tanya want to talk to me, you know. No sound. No, anybody who not hear?
Oh, why?
Yeah, hear me, Island Candy?
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, people are too honest say she not hear. People not hear me? Tell me if you not hear me. Okay. So, Erica, cause me the call Erica. Me call Erica first. Me a human being. My children, them are my life. My children, them are my world. My grow my kids, them good. My children, them are good children. When I can't speak to the other little one, them, but I can't talk about Amanda and Kiara. Me I open, me I pray to God that the rest of children, them follow them big sibling footstep and don't do certain thing with them nothing do. Me start to tell Erica the way all my heart full. People, me did cry. Me not come up person and say me never cry. Me cry and me I tell Erica, me say, see you, Erica, see you. See what you do me? See what you do me, Erica? Watch where I go reach you. So now, boom now. Me I cry to her and me I say, Erica, me not lie. Me I tell you what happened. So Erica start to tell me the things and what Puss I do. That even make me get wickeder. So me say not only me the pregnant at the time, not only she a tear me down, she a tear me down with Erica with lies. Erica turned to me and say, Tanya, the problem, you take what 10 grand from Hugo. So what you say, Erica? 10 grand? I say, wait, Erica. The same day, I get a bank statement. I go so boom, boom, boom. Take a screenshot type. Boom, boom, boom. Say, go get Erica 79 pence. I send the part where you say, from, remember, you know, every 3 months, him get a bank statement, you know. So, if me take with that 10 grand there, it would have shown in the account, no. Erica said, John, me not lie, Puss dangerous. Puss tell me some things, oh, your baby father, fuck your pick them. Erica said, me drop asleep. You know what she do? Them time she have you go on the phone with Erica. Erica said, Puss, class, me she a you go. Then you know what she gonna do? Tanya, why you not play some of the voice note? Erica bring down Puss in the group. People. Fret them up the group. The group, me can't see it, but fret them. Me want you going at the group and send me back the voice note them where Puss bring down. Erica bring down Puss in the group. Please, sister, if you can, when you have time. Go now. Now next one, fuck up on. Anyway, you know. Me I talk to Erica, me I tell, of course, me think say Erica as somebody, same time Erica say, me go bring it down upon this because me alone can't angle it. Me want me and Dan and me want Puss. Erica goes so boom, make a group, messenger group. Bam, she put my Dan upon it. Bam, she put me. Bam, she put in Kevin Ross. Bam, she put in Puss. Puss come in on the chat. Me start to ring star blood clot out. My mother end up in the chat too. Me say, me add my mother cause once you're in the group, you can't add anybody. The admin of the group don't have to add nobody. You can't add people. My go so boom now, she did the attack. And Erica said, Puss, me not lie. You can't dismiss babe so. Come on, man, Puss, have some respect. Them time them think say Erica somebody, you know. Me think say Erica's decent somebody, you know. Me no remember people. Me no know nothing about Erica. A Kingston talk the things them and when me Amanda run her name. My sister said she got court for her son and she never turn up at the court case and her son is in care. Bam! While I went at the group, me, Dan, Erica, Kevin Ross. Kevin Ross come at me, cuss me. I want to know why you give my auntie, your brother, and you turn around and do this. How you turn around and do that. I say, listen, Kevin, you don't want to disrespect you. You don't know me. You want to say my cousin a gwan and a cousin a gwan. Anyway, she up on the chat because enough people can log in and go up on the chat. So everybody, if you want to show your face or not, hide the camera, but everybody can't hear everybody. Same time Erica said, put your mother in the group. Put us blood clot in the group. Erica, you say you, Erica. Erica, my business you want to know. Yes, Puss. I your business she want to know. Because she know you tell lie. That's why I say you blood clot, Erica. You affy blood clot. Go down upon the wickedness where you do to me and my family. Anyway, you know, Puss tell them say, we don't live nowhere. Erica start to talk, right? Oh, here Puss, them not live nowhere. Them catch up in a one room. Where I say, Mom, all Puss a cuss my mother, you know. Dan can't tell you, you know. Ugly woman, dirty woman, your son chose me. Nasty, stinking woman. Him can't talk to you. You know, see me and she did what, Puss did what, put you got in the group, but she don't know how to add people. And Erica said, Dan said, don't add him because she want back it in because you go she call you up on her next phone. You go, you don't know your dirty sister and your mama and them do this and them do that and I said she a go on. Him there on the phone, a class, me and mommy, especially me, and I go on and I go on. I say, mommy, show the blood clot house. So my nephew take the phone, turn on the camera, here push to Erica, Dan and Kevin. Hang up, hang up, hang up. Hang up on the door, look. Erica said, me a look. I want to see the people them house. Kevin was there too. When them show my nephew, show me my nice blood clot house. When me and my mother build up, push me the careless. Yeah. So we show it and Erica said, Puss, you're too bitter. And Kevin Ross said, bad to bad, bitter and get trade. Tanya mother house look good. Yeah, the house is nice. And Puss, she couldn't talk. She run out of the chat. So the argument keep on going, you know. So me say, me don't want this war end up on Instagram or social media. You know, me go just walk away for the sake of my family and my brother. And me a class him a class me. Them say, who know better do better people? Me try. But me tell you something. May I be honest? Erica manipulate me. Erica talk to Puss. Me not like people. Puss never want it reach on the social media. She never. Every time Erica I call me and I message me and I tell me say, don't stop, bring her down. Them that are the group there, you know. Don't eat up upon her. She too wicked. Me can't share the text them. Puss love use God and I do wickedness. You love use God and the wickedness. Erica come and say, Puss send me the Bible verse, yeah.
Right.
Every Bible verse, which is me not lie. When she get the Bible verse, them I saw, she sent it to everybody. Nobody no special. She said it. So she said, do not make she apologize to you. And she wicked, she don't mean what she said. So you don't know, so I come out of the group, I say, Erica, somebody have to back off and back down. So this war no escalate. And me are the person I go back down because I'm pregnant. This is not good for the health, for the baby inside of me. If I argument them people, but they constantly have migraine. Till I can't see out of my eye because of the argument. So I come out of the group. Erica, I know you're there and you're saying, Erica, God, I go punish you, you know, Erica. I swear to God, you know. I mean, not tell no lie, God, me I tell lie, pa Erica, because you know me not use your name in vain. Strike me down, punish me for tell lie. I say, Bam, no, come out of the group. I come out of the group, come here, say, somebody have to back down. This is going too far. When I come out of the group, Erica call me. Where you come out of the group for? Make Puss move her, what's it? Not she too wicked. When I tell me Puss and Erica they on the chatter, you know Puss. She know she ugly, but she always a show herself. Say the woman ugly now. Erica scream, shut it and say, look for Puss teeth in her head. I really that woman, yeah, me did that for friend. So Erica bust it, you know. People, remember me no know Erica. Me think Erica was a mother. Me think Erica see the right thing and I do the right thing. But no. Erica's a demon, so Erica go around. When me get Erica file and hear the things that Erica do people, me understand how wicked Erica is. Me now see the comment them, you know. Where them may come out and come back here, Island.
Okay.
Cause me now see the comment and me want.
Yeah, and may I drive. So I ain't reading nothing.
Yeah, me never did I see the comment, and that's why I say I have to come out, cause me never see nothing. Anyway,
Yeah.
now, when we come out of the group, Erica say, come back in the group. Me I add you, Erica, add me back in the group. Kevin Ross depan. Puss. Where Erica depan? Where Erica depan? Puss in the see where Erica do. That's why here Kevin say, him no care, him know the truth. And Erica make this argument escalate. So, go back in the group and Kevin Rassa cuss me and I say, the way you go on, come here tell us say all of this was still in the group. And we are talk on the group chat. And me a cuss Puss. And me a tell Kevin cause through him coming at me say, but Puss chat you too. So he must say, oh, me no want hear nothing about him. Turn to Puss and say, Puss, auntie, I am not mad with you. You and Tanya was friend, and you and your friend talk, because everything Tanya said, it's truth. She's not lying. But me no want hear nothing from you, Tanya, cause if you and Puss hold conversation, so me say stick up in. Then all Puss come to you with my business and on top of it, lie. So when you try tell me, say, Puss can slaughter me and me can blood clot talk what she say about people, him go quiet. The war end up start to escalate more and hot up and eat up in the group. Auntie Dan say, Erica, I don't like where this is going. Leave Puss and Tanya, make them sort out. But don't, you know, so Puss disrespect on your kids and disrespect Miss Bev. I'm a good things come see when Erica just come out and a cuss. Erica class, my mother. Erica, my mother don't know you. Like, you know, have. Yo, you see, anybody where you see cuss people, mother, big elderly woman, my mother 67, gonna be 68, that area. I know one good blood clot person that you can know them cuss them own mama. So, bam now, Kevin Ross cuss me. And I come tempo, him leave a message in the group. Cause we stop video call and be a typing and voice note sending at the group. Boom now. We got so now, boom boom now. In the group I send voice note and cussing. Puss start bring down Erica. Puss, me while you know, Puss I talk to Dan off the ear, you know. And but Dan I tell we and I say, shall tell me what Puss I say. And Puss what get Erica pissed off. Puss, you don't know Puss make 100 pages in a Yugo name. T-Dog, Yugo, us, be a page she make in a Yugo name. So what Puss do, Puss build a page in a Yugo name, add blood clot. No, she never add Erica. She come in a Erica inbox and say, I, Erica say, call me and Dan. And Erica then I want, hey, Erica make about 10 blood clot group, you know. We go so boom and go in the other group. Push the in that group there. Boom in the group. Me and her and Dan. And Erica said to me, Tanya, you go in my inbox. Me say, Erica, that's not you go. That's Puss. That's not Hugo. It's Puss. Until I drop up same time, I say, block him. I say, block him. Block him now. It's not Hugo. I push you, try to set you up. Say that no, say Puss call down. I say, tell Big Pussy Erica said she for come out and my man inbox. People, me I tell the truth. She never go in a Hugo inbox. It wasn't Hugo, it was Puss go into Erica inbox like a Hugo. Then when the argument start, broke out and a war, you know, Puss say, Erica look Hugo. Cause remember, everybody I look Hugo, you know. Everybody, me I look him, my mother I look him, my daughter them I look him. So the war get hot now. Kevin was coming there, left a by snowball. Oh, me I come at England, Tanya. And Ray remember say him cost me all rallying and fuck the kids, them, this, that. I said to him, say, you know what, Kevin? Let me tell you something. He said, true, me know you is a victim. You can't come at the UK and at this a citizen. Oh, me know my rights, me know my rights. And me go tell me, say, you can't tell them nothing. Him threaten me. Him say, me can't remember the threat. It's in the group. Him says something. I say, Kevin, I mean, say me can't this guy the police station and call out airport and immigration. And you can't blood clot. You want me bar you for not come to England? Me say, Pussy, continue blood clot. Call me name. Him turn, him left and him say, Auntie Don, I respect you. And him say, Tanya, me don't know you. And when your friend Puss tell me, and me I work off of when she tell me, this is getting out of hand, and I don't want to be a part of it. Hello, Candice. Don't want to be a part of it. And him exit the blood clot group. Come cuss him out. And him threaten me, and me tell him, say, me I carry the police station. And Barry making can't come a blood clot England. But me say, you know what? He is a victim like all of us that Puss deceive and tell people, tell lie for somebody else. Remember, she make me cuss Diary, she make me cuss a lot of people. She make me cuss Berry. Because she said Berry post up my kids. Anyway, the war a go on, Puss start bust it up on Erica. Erica bust it up on Puss. Puss now. Find out how she can add people. So when I think 6 people coming at the group. So when them coming at the group, me know Brass type in. Brass can't tell you. Mr. Brass, are you that? The person said no, the page said no, Brass this. Big Pussy Diva blood clot chromas in there. Forever Lash Brass in there. 6 of them coming at the group car. Them time they don't me and Erica do Puss bad enough people. We are gang up on her in the group and tear our blood clot down, you know. Yes, Erica. Bomb out, Brass them coming at the group. Me say, Brass, are you that? Brass say no. Me say, me know are you, Brass. So when me do my forward, me say, oh, when you coming at the group, when you don't know what to take place, when you don't know what's been going on for a couple of weeks now, what Puss is doing, me I try to explain to them, them I rub me out, Brass still rub me out too. But same time I drop the voice note them in the group where Puss send me when Puss I bring down my kids. I'm say, listen to how Puss I do my blood clot, pitney them. And what the fuck do you know? But as me say, let me tell you something. You see when Puss a plan for you, she start to isolate you from the rest of people them. She start to tell them things against you where you this time you know Puss a chat me and I build up the group, the people them pan team Puss when me and them used to war after 20th century. True lioness. When me and the girl them used to call to each other, used to like Brass, me and Brass and Puss the pan phone. So when Brass come attack me in the group, but me realize when me drop the voice note, that particular page, stop type. Me don't know of no 6, just 3 at the time when me come in. Okay, yeah man, enough come in. So, Brass, me don't know if a 6. Brass, me I tell you a couple of wanna come. So, Brass, stop type. Cause Brasta they read and listen to the message them we Puss a go on with, you know. And Brasta start put 1 and 2 to 2, you know. So me say, all right then. Erica say, add King mix up Tanya. Add Apple. Apple where you got design a body. Remember say I feel like first my compound come bust it up, you know. Put Erica say add them. So King mix up coming at the group with 2 I know wanna take out everything on the war one. So when Puss the King mix up, Puss the pan. When King mix up I do, me say me blood clot put him in there. You put how much people? What people are doing at the group? And me and you and Erica war. People, Dan never in the war. This time Dan no say nothing bad because Dan no know me. Dan never know me. Dan loyalty stand with Erica. But in the sense, Dan never did that disrespect Puss. Puss never did that disrespect Dan at that time. Because Puss and Dan, Puss called Dan and I said, what do Erica? Tell Erica say for come out of my blood clot affair, you know. When them come now, Bam now, King mix up everything. We throw them out of the group. We block them out of the group. Erica, cause she had the admin. She take them out of the group. When she take them out of the group, the girl when named Apple, me, she, and Erica, now they on the chat. Me I explain, she said, Tanya, tell Apple everything how it go. So me start to tell Apple how it start and the things that we Puss at do. Plus me say to her, I say, Apple, you can't listen to the voice note them. We're in the group. You're back there. You mean just a barbaco? We're in the group. So, you know Apple I say, boy, this stiff. This a warrior stiff. Ray, and you know she attack and she sympathize with me. Apple said to me, say, you want to come for my life, come talk. People, I'm telling you this, you know. Me not like Erica. The way how me see Erica jump in and so where is her backer? Me left her backer was on the bed. You understand? So look for her backer for me now. But her backer was on the bed. Can you know she come for make problem? Tanya 2 sentences me write the group and then me call to tell you if it done and then you drop out the voice note and tell me if you listen. Exactly. Me tell us if you listen to listen. And so what Puss I do. So Mr. Erica, should me go Mr. Erica me go upon the live. Go upon the live. And Erica said, well, you can't help me look for the baby back. So look if it drop over there, so now. Because she just have the back. She have the back. Rally me there on my life, you know. I know why you disturb my peace, you know. Yeah, no, me attack. Me attack. You can't stop me from time. Me I defend my kids, them. Rally, please, just behave yourself, you know. You understand? So what me not for do? Me not for defend myself. And every day you're there in your fall group. No, every day you're there in your group with your fall friend, them talk about the fall, them fight. So leave me alone. I come out of the room, you're not for in here. The house is small. Anyway, you know, Erica said to me, say, yes, go live. Go pa Apple live. As me tell you, say, me think Erica was somebody. So I go pa Apple. But that, so sister, me now, you have to understand, say, me have to talk, me have feelings. I'm tired of these people. It's too here. When me people pay so where all you hear Puss story and them want hear mine. So me I tell them. So when we go about Apple Live now, yeah man, him love full fighting. Me I say a country man, you know. Money pay for that, you know, you can't stay there. And go over Apple, we start talk, everybody come on the live. Tanya, I don't call it Rob. I was more questioning cause Brass, when I tell you say, remember say you say me nah no stay, cause Puss tell you our false story, you know. Me I be rude. Him tired of it for true, me nah lie. And me promise him say me nah do it, but Rodin, me have to talk. Anyway, yeah, when Brass come in the group, Brass I say, me show me take a picture of my ID, what show say me have my permanent status in the United Kingdom. So Brass type and say, my fingernail dirty. So me say, we are talk about my fingernail the page. Me don't, Brass, we can't talk. Me know what it you. But me don't have nothing against you. You know me got love for you. We were deceived. So bam now. Me talk, that was a Saturday, going Sunday morning. Apple phone is dead because she never have no charger. So she never come back live. So when me look, me see Eric, me say Diva Chromas put up say
Oh,
um
shit.
Erica and Tanya traitor post this, that. Me I look for you, dirty old blood clot, Diva Chromas. I think me done with you, bitch. You will take my picture. Watch when the world blood clot walk my back. And you see me now go catch up at that school. Bam now. The Sunday, Puss and Brass. I guess a Puss do. Puss, stop it. Puss tell Brass.
My phone died. Where's Tanya? My phone dead pa me right when me reach home.
What Tanya did? You reach one back?
Yeah, me just come plug in my phone and turn it on. Me I wait for Tanya so me can add her and go park my car downstairs.
So,
Me park outside.
Tanya, you
Tanya,
can't
yeah.
talk by part of story. You go a good still with your story. But you see the whole thing, me they are sleep the night, me talk this over and over for my life. Me I make Tanya kind of idea when me done talk. Yeah. Me they are
How long
sleep
you
the
take to talk? Come, I want to go park my car.
one go park your car and come. Me they are sleep the night, right? And me get a phone call from Diva Chromas. When me answer the phone call, Diva said, Puss want talk to me, right? She said, Puss. She said, Eric and Tanya bring down Puss in a one group. Me say, which group? Me no know about no group, because me not in a no group. You understand? And she said, one Facebook group. Yeah? Me say, me not have Facebook because me not use my real Facebook go over in a group, because me never in a Facebook group yet in my life. Me not know what it's all about. So me not use my Facebook. Diva Chroma's Pillar Blood Clad Facebook group, quick and fast with my number. And when she bill it, we did there. In the meantime, she did bill it. Me and I on the phone and talk to Post. Him said, you are bring her down in the inbox, yeah, Erica. She can't manage the 2 hours in the inbox. Hence why she come for blood clot me. Yeah. So anyway, when it be like everything, I'm reach in the group, Tanya. Me say all the typing I go fast. Me no know nothing about it. Me no understand nothing about Facebook group. So me type 2 little thing. Right? 2 sentence me type. The first one was towards you. I can't remember exactly. I have to go look back for my screenshot them I have. Cause my screenshot every moment blood clot out in there. Come, me no want nobody tell a lie for me. All the recording them I come out with too. Yeah? Right. So anyway, for them you just come back. So anyway, I type something to you and then you answer me. Then I said, you ask me, Brash, you said to me, say, Brash, are you that? Me said to you, no, honor me. And you said, Brash, me know say you. I said, Tanya done. Tanya done. Yam Puss done. the page when name Susie did a type of explain to me. You a type of explain to me, right? And me start I go up in at the top of the page. I look, me sit down on my bed. Me not telling like I'm a bit frightened for the Facebook group. Can you see the way how it a go? Yeah, Fred, I think that's the best thing you for do. You see to all the typing did I go all of the comments I got it did really I go too fast. It got faster than Instagram one. And me I say what the fuck? It did really frighten me. Me not tell a lie. Me sit down on my bed right here so and me drink water. Me daddy I look on all of the typing. Everything where I come out, all of the something of them. Yeah. Me go right back up to the top. And me see where the group name. Me see who formed the group, me see all of that. Yeah. Me see who did attack, who for voice note me take out. Me take out everything. Cause me say me don't want nobody tell a lie for me, you know. So me just take out everything for my proof. You understand? Book bap, me only know say me get throw out of the group same time because to me now course. Me never know say Erica throw me out of the group. Me did that thing say I push them take me out of the group because to me now course all me that they do a call for peace. Oh, okay. Right? So the next day, what me do, me sit down and me take out everything what me need for take out for my proof. And so the morning, Puss call me early. Puss call me early. Me not like call Kevin Ross name, you know, but Kevin Ross was in the background, right? And she said, girl, you know, say it a go down, it a go real bad. And so I say twice, I'm not in the group again, I get short. And she say, you get short. That time I don't know, so she must know, say, me get short, because she add me in the group. And she
Right.
just, eh?
Hold on. Oh, forget it. I thought my Wi-Fi was off, but it's on.
Um,
Okay.
right? My only ear, Kevin mumble something about a picture. I'm say, what you say? And Push say, them have your picture. Me say, which picture? She said, purple picture, right? I'm say, okay, the purple picture, right? She never tell me of no other picture but the purple picture and the picture when I have on the glass. Them two pictures that she tell me about. She never tell me about the other one. That's why me could have do the calculation for the other one because that one was taken on the 5th of October when Dan kick off over upon Fear Life because Diva, Teeny, Lash, and everybody go over there and rub down in the comments at that night they kick off. You understand? That's why me could have give time and date pan them there. You understand? That's why when she tell me say, Erica take off my picture, my black and white picture, me could have tell her blood clot no because at the 5th of October a blood clot black and white picture they take. And at night them a black diva chromas. But before my black card, me and I did attack. I said twice, I go take the authentic page. And me can tell you which page take my black and white picture. And the authentic page take my black and white picture. And a Diva Chroma sit up on the authentic page. And she control the authentic page, the authentic Puss page. That page take off my picture. As I mean, no, a Diva Chroma take my picture and get a post. You understand? So, as some know it go. I learn from Boot Up, so there is more than one group. When Boot Up come and tell me for cuss Tanya, I learn from it. But all when them a pressure me for cuss Tanya, me never come out, come cuss Tanya. Me never come out. Me record Boot Up. Cause me know say it was a setup. Cause me when me sit back, you know, you see the day when me cuss Erica, you see the day when me cuss Erica about my blood clot picture, eh? If Puss never tell me about the picture, I'm not telling a lie. But me should have think about it before me even come out. But anyway, it go, I say it go, me not take back how it go. You understand? Right? So anyway, rub out Erica blood clot. After me rub out Erica blood clot, the next day I sit down and I add up everything. And I say blood clot. And this really happening, you know. You get me? And everybody I play hypocrite same way. I just play back hypocrite with them same way and take whatever recording me for take. Me have Puss recording. Me have Puss recording where she tell me say she want Erica to come back and just start the things them. She want to use Erica for this so and then them are gonna rub out Erica. That's why I know say Puss are gonna rub any Erica anyway you take it. Anyway you take it, Puss are gonna rub Erica. Me have all of them something upon vice tape. You understand? But I can't understand why them people can't done. Come on, it's 3 freaking years. Me I call it 3 fucking years, you know. Why them can't done? Erica, you come out and take Bible and renew say you under the page them. Hence why me come out, come drop the tape because you call in and play diary tape one night. Hence why I come out and drop out your blood clot man and ex-man at your up. Your old courthouse file. You understand? And Puss you wicked. Candy. Puss you wicked. I'm not stop say you wicked. You know what I say you wicked? Cause over there did a rob. We over there did a rob. You're wicked. You like to bite people like that, Puss. Come on, man. Stop it. My God. Tanya, come back in. Come talk, finish talk your story.
Hey.
Yeah, people, when I finish talk my story. Cause I have no time for tell lie. So the Sunday the war hot. That brass rub, Puss rub, Puss tell some lie. Puss tell some lie. The woman talk and she tell some. But say me never see a woman can lie and wicked. And all me I tell the blood clot idiot girl them. Why would I introduce my brother to Puss? I want to mash up them if them want there. My brother cannot fuck me. Big up yourself, my. That wasn't it. Me, I said justice for my kids, them. Justice for my mother. You understand? So the war start now and it was a Sunday. I'm cook me not lie. Rallying cook one nice blood clot, big steam fish for me. Come the pregnant. I'm going to sit on the Sunday and brass rub, Puss tell some lie. Erica called down and said, don't push your life. Don't say, Erica, today is Sunday, me no cuss on Sunday. Make Puss and brass rub for today. Make them rub, get out everything with them want. I said to her, I say, Erica, make them rub. We will rub our next day. Today is Sunday. Peaceful day. Listen to what Dana say. Anyway, Robin's on and Puss Kwan, Sister running to Coxper and this and that and the four them have Where your favorite phone name? Where name? Where call him? But the one we have picture.
Okay, see.
Where name?
My name they look panic comments. Let me
No,
just
the one we
see.
have the picture. Your favorite phone. Where name? Come and remember him name. Him no want to tell me. Him have a favorite phone where him give one name, one funny name. Anyway, the Monday now, Erica and Puss, Erica and Dan start the rubbings. Then me up on the live and start to tell the people them what from day one, me stick. Running Suki so for other in the group. From day one, me stick to my story. Nothing about want to destroy Hugo and Puss. She come out and me tell her what she tell my brother. When me and Nara, you go there on the phone and argue. And you go say, cause you know my mouth not normal. And when him a get bright, and I come and talk about rallying Tanya and fucking them, something there. Me ring out in blood clot. And what do we oh me a ring same? So you're outer than a blood clot. When you want to come mash up my relationship with my man, the things of my relationship a Dolly House relationship, like you and Puss. My relationship is good blood clot relationship. You understand? Pick the dead and everything. This is not a Dolly House relationship. You go turn to me and say, him a go kick me in my pussy and my face and all about the beating away him a go give me. I say, lie you tell. Gunshot wriggle your body. I say, you go. Me alone with a fire shot and blood clot kill you. Oh, and in your head and done. Yeah, so me a chuck it bad with my brother. So she hear me a talk about that. She start to manipulate him. Tanya set up people, but me tell her when she get the more evidence and strongness when Erica switch. So the war anyway, the war are going and the war are going and me attack, she attack, this attack, this attack. Pay a lie, Pustel. Pay a lie. What me tell her say, nothing what Puss talk about me, not one of it is true. She talk and she talk and she talk. She get everybody for rub me. The rubbing a one. Of course. Booed up. Puss. Erica put booed up. In the blood clot group. Me booed up. Erica. Auntie Dan. Twiggy. And Baby on the blood clot chat. Bad girl, me say Suki. So boot up the pan, what's really going on and what start this? Me I tell boot up. Me I say boot up. This is how it starts. You understand there's too much somebody can bear. This woman continuously want to terrorize me and my family for no reason at all. Nobody. Me say this a million times. Nobody no business with she and Hugo. Me no care. I me I tell her that anyway me did have appointment in the morning and me say it was about 4 o'clock UK time in the morning. Me say me I got my bed, me I get the rest. Me I tell her say it was exhausted. The next day now when me look, you did in the main group fret them. The main group. But a peer group was Erica open. So now go so boom now. When me come back in the group, God, my doctor appointment come back. My sister board up, God, me see she say, board up left the group. So I said to her, I said, what happened when board up left the group? Oh, and me I did in the group too. She said to me, say, she have to cuss off board up. When board up in the group, board up asked me, say, Tanya, why did you say the day when Erica, when Puss I go look on the house, that it's me who carry her? I said, boot up. That is not what I say. When Puss was in the car, the night, Diva Chroma's writer say, big up, boot up. I boot up in the car, I carry post. So me, I say, I boot up, me say, because of Diva Chroma's boot up. How it wasn't me. Me and boot up sort out that, you know, me tell you, say, these people are some sick head, you know. Me and boot up sort out that the night, you know. I say, boot up, it's a misunderstanding. It was what Diva Chroma's type. And me, I repeat what Diva Chroma's is saying. Exactly. All right. Anyway, boot up come out of the group. Me not hear nothing about boot up. Swear to God. Me not hear nothing about boot up. Boot up did I hide. Them time the boot up never come out and I cuss me or nothing. Oh no, that no. Then Berry joined it. There was a group with me, Dan, Erica, and Berry and Chin. One day now, tell you what Erica upset for. When Puss bring Derek Kingston for bring down your stinking old Erica. Erica scream. You hear when Shakos, oh, she scream out her voice and go on. Puss! Puss half it dead. Tanya, you have to come cuss me now. You have to come cuss me now. So same time she say, she have a other group, you know, with Berry in her, you know. This is before Chin come on board, you know. She said, Berry, me I go pay you for doing so, Derek. She want Dan for cuss Derek. Dan said to her, say, I know Erica, me can't cuss him, me no can not do me nothing. Me no want for cuss him, cause me and him no have nothing. Right? She said to me, said, Tanya, and me a pick up for you. And me a stand a war with Puss for you. Come rub blood clot, Derek. Said to her, say, Erica, me no know the man. When me go say to the man, people, me no know the man. This is when me listen to, oh, Erica bring down Erica. I said to Erica, say, Erica, what kind of man that you lay down with? I would have never lied down with a man with them mouth like me. No like mouth, man. And she said, me for come cuss him and me say, when me I rub her in the comments, she scream out upon the live. Yes! Brass, the girl scream out. And she said, me for come cuss him. And people, me not tell no lie. Ask Berry, but I say, Berry not gonna tell the truth. I'm a wish God would have talked to Berry. And Berry come out. Me, Berry and her. Erica say, me for cuss. She tell Berry where for cuss Derek, you know. And I say, oh, Derek molest Tyler. And me turn to her and say, no, you can't do that. He molest him for true. She say, yes. He molest my son. And me report him and me I say, then Erica, how you fit sit down with a man when molest your son? But Father God, me never believe her, because me know say that cold blood clot happen. America and blood clot Derek not gone to prison. So Berry rub Derek Kingston. Ah no, my company life. And me just say, big head Derek. Me don't know where to cuss the man. Me don't know the man. Me don't know nothing about the man. Who did cuss her in the group, say them want come out the group cause it not pay them. Oh, it was Baby. Anyway, it's board up herpes. No. Dirty Nicole, dildo tongue Nicole, DNT. Anyway, cussing a go on with Derek and I know that no cuss Derek. Puss and Derek over there, when I go over there, I listen to the things them and me I said, Jesus Christ, me don't know who to believe me. Because remember, the man attack, yeah, the man there for 4 years. And the man attack the things them, oh, she called police on him and tell police him rape her. Yo, people are nothing Erica do the man. Me not ask Christ. But now, Chin now come on board. Me the day and you say this Chin. Me know Chin pa. Me have Chin pa Facebook for long time. And me did have her on Instagram, but me and Chin, me now and then when she put up with the kids them, cause you know me love kids. Me we type up and for the kids them birthday, me say happy birthday, but she don't really know me. And me don't really know her. She and none did that cuss her too. None of the one of them they go up and post. Are not nice. Are not nice go up and post go bring down blood clot Erica. Puss get the whole of the American people them we eat Erica for bring her down. I remember when he come on the live and talk. Yes, Steve. Mad, she cuss, she go. Anyway, me not lie, I bury alone a cuss Kingston. I rub out Kingston. And Ray and this and Kingston, fuck him and this. You know, Berry theme, Robin. And what upset Berry, Erica, all of it, a bit. The other group I buried it in where Erica said, Berry send me a PayPal. So when blood clot Erica talk about we are pay Berry. Erica my proof when you I'm gonna go back in the group, screenshot it and put it up. Where you say, Berry send me a PayPal. You tell Berry say you're gonna give him 100 US rub blood clot Kingston and you only give him 30 US dollar. That's what you give him, Erica. And Berry was hungry. And then Puss the gun, you know. Puss the gun for about 2 weeks on the internet quiet. We put Puss to rest, people. Them time they would know say Erica I tell Bood up things to tell Puss. Yo, that girl there, Father God, yo, me I tell you something say, me not trust people. Swear to God. Me not be so gullible again and drop my God. That's why Chin and Berry could the blood clot get for do me certain things. Come learn off of my mistake. Exactly. Sharp bread. Bam no. Me now forget the Friday. The place quiet. She have the nerve coming. And I swear upon Bible. Me so tell you no. She swear upon Bible about my baby. Erica is a scorn. Erica is a woman of scorn. When you love someone and they don't love you, and no Puss like that, the two of them, so that's why Puss scared to cuss her, plotting murder. Yo, she put this little lady when named TG Carlin. Back in the days, my mother knew Jim Brown. Cause my mother and Jim Brown, them in the age group, right? And my mother used to go to Tibali. My mother used to carry me go to Tibali. I know Jati. Jati used to ride the little 50 bike come over Portmore. My mother was good friend. Now ask Christ. And Pam now. Right? She care about news to boot up. The place quiet. Puss gone. We kill Puss wicked. Puss gone in a hiding. But when we get for understand say Puss never have no money for buying a credit for put on data upon her service. Mr. Erica said the night, more than the evening on Friday evening, I said, Erica, I got all a little rest because I'm tired and my head hurt me. And she said, all right then. About 20 minutes in and me asleep. Me in my phone I go off, man. That's in my SWAT team group. Me go in there, me see the girl in my right say, why bury a cuss baby Lee? Why bury a cuss baby Lee? Same time I go up on the live and I say, bury a wagwan. So when Erica, when I go up on the live, you know, P laughing, LG, mo. Hey, you don't know who is Erica. Erica, the wickedest thing standing on earth. More tell you say Erica wickeder than Pussy, no. Tap me and make you know, you know. Boom, no. Me see Erica put up laughing, LG, mo, and Berry, I say, me not like you, reveal yourself, and be able to lead up on the page and rub him back, I'm a cusser. Same time I go in at the group with Berry, me, Dan, and Chin. Chin was there them time, because Puss go for Chin, for tell Chin, but me not like Chin say, Tanya and Erica, me I tell you the truth. Puss and me call Puss. When me hear about the war, me call Puss. And I say, what go on between you and Erica? So Puss start, cause you know Puss always a look people come cuss for her. So Puss start tell Chin be a lie, say Erica say, but with this, Erica say it true. Erica beg me and say, Tanya, me go put Chin in the group. Tell Chin say Puss chat her. Me nah lie. I say, Erica, me nah have to tell Chin a lie. Puss do chat Chin as such a favorite lobster. And she don't look good. And that's why she don't tick on her picture. She tip on paparazzi Apple picture. And Chin tell me say that's why she eat Puss. Because Puss knows that she and Apple war. And Puss no stop comment and a big up Apple. And now tick on fear picture. Me not tell no lie pa uno. So anyway now, boom now. Me go in the group and me call out Berry and Erica coming at the group. So me say, Berry, what's going on? Why you cuss baby Lee? Him say you know her. Me not like her. Me say, oh, you finna like somebody where you not know her. Make sure reveal and say, me say, Berry, you have your people them by your life where me no know, nobody no know. Why you want my friend? Because Erica was upset because when Baby Lee get married, me said to Baby Lee, no, Baby Lee, don't come in the group and talk about your wedding, because if you talk about it, Erica I go want to see picture. Anyway, she was happy. She was talking about her wedding and she said, sister, don't me look nice for my wedding day here, Erica. So me can't see the picture of them. She said, no, Erica. Me have to get for know you. When me get for know you, I saw me will make you know me. Erica asked me, say, Erica, me can't give my friend picture. So all of them think that Erica a pre, no? Because Erica go to Dan and I complain, say, how the whole are we in the group and we don't know how baby look like. So Dan said, me not give a fuck about baby Lee. Me not care if me not know what she look like. A long time chin in a mix up, you know. Anyway, me I try to explain to Berry about baby Lee. Erica go tell me, say, me should have met blood clot. Berry rub out baby Lee. Me say, baby Lee, I'm a friend. I can't make Berry rub out my friend. Me have to tell baby Berry say, baby Lee, they on our side. Blood clot. I saw she a go on in the group, you know. Till Berry say, Erica, say where you going so far? So me turn to her, then she say, that's why Puss say, Raleigh, fuck off your picnic them. I say, I saw Puss say. Derek Kingston, fuck out Tyler, but he say, oh, you gonna tell me the same thing when Puss tell you. I'm gonna say, Erica, I'm gonna tell you something. I see where it come to. I'm gonna say, Erica, you see before me and you go down that road, walk away. Right? That me say to her, you know. Same time we come out of the chat, everything, she start to tell Dan, Tanya cuss me and tell me, say, oh, Kingston, fuck up my son. Dan call me. I said, Auntie Dan, because I always have respect for that lady. Said, Auntie Dan, that's not how it go. Put Berry on the line. Boom, we add Berry to the WhatsApp. I said, Berry, how the argument go in the group? Is me tell Erica first about Kingston and fuck her son, or she tell me say, but my kids them. Berry said, what ya? No, Erica first tell her Dan. Put your hero Erica go on. Me have to tell Erica say, Erica, watch ya, stop it. We are going to for Erica. So okay. Berry clear it up. Same time Dan say, Tanya come off of the line. Me go add Erica. Cause me and I not talk this time, you know. Me go add Erica and make Berry clear this up. So when she got on the phone with Berry and Dan, Berry said, Erica, make you some bitter. Now you first tell Tanya about her picnic them. And Tanya said, but the same thing, Puss about you. So how you gonna judge me? Remember, Puss rub me and you know. She run off, she got quiet dance and then she hang up. Then she start plot no. Started send. She go on YouTube and take down me and fret them long time video where we rub out this and listen, you see that back in them day there, those rubbing were fun. We wasn't rubbing children, we are rub adult. Right? From there, so she start to hear out now. So Chin used to call me, me not hear from Chin. Then Chin said, you know, me like Tanya. One day Chin called me. I said, Tanya, me not gonna lie, me like you. But, you know, Erica said me for stay away from you because you're wicked and you're this. I said, Chin, but you don't know me. And I said, Erica don't know me. I said, Erica can't say me wicked. And Erica don't know me. So them time they know. She blood clot Erica act like say. She not going back to pussy no. Them time she talk about murder plot Erica. And you are the first person to say you want Puss dead. You put Colleen pan the chat. And then you type and tell me say. Me tell Colleen say the woman when Colleen talk about name Beverly like my mother. Say she are my mother. So Colleen can't get man for kill Puss. Erica, me don't understand you or you're wicked and devious and evil. Anyway, Chin say, Erica say, she would I go apologize to Puss, but because Puss so evil, remember Puss bring down Erica wicked, you know. Me not see the comment there, me don't know why me not see. Me don't know I want to Instagram. Yeah, you hear me, Island?
Thank you.
You hear me?
Yeah.
So me go so boom now. Me and China talk and Erica me pay mischief for me. Tanya this, Tanya that. A long time Tanya bring down people. She afraid them. Tanya, you don't know Tanya from nowhere. You go choose Tanya. Dan say, Erica, Tanya not trouble you. If you and Dan, okay, me answer the comment now. If you and Tanya can't agree, just leave it now, Erica. You and Tanya now for go down the road and me say people, me not trouble Erica, you know. Me just stop talking to her, but me tell you something. It was all a setup. Erica been traitor in Poway, cause enough time me hear blood clot push over there. With things that we're talking in the group and me I say, did I want Puss get them information? Erica leak it. You say you go blood clot kill Puss when Puss put Kingston, Nana, and when name that nice ring out your blood clot low life scum pussy. So Dana tell her to leave it alone. Don't you really a sell out? So me say to her, so she now send me some messages where Erica people. Me did play it one time, me go back for it. Erica hold the Bible and say, make the girl move her, what's it not change? We are baby still born in her and dead. Yo, me say, me never know say somebody can talk about a pregnant woman. I wish death upon them. Who ever belong and Stacy too, okay. She talk up some something. Stacy, yes, I true. Cause when me and her and Dan was live, Stacy come from Dan live and time say, Dan, stop by out Erica live. Stop by out Erica war. Erica war can look be a war. I use Erica, I use you. When we go into the group, Erica depend. Them time them in know Stacy. Erica say, how is Stacy know about me? Dan, me not like how your niece disrespect me and whatever. Pass that gun. You first say you want to kill Puss because Puss bring you down. You first start the killy. Let me tell you the people, coming now hide nothing. I have a killy blood clot cousin. Him living at the woods. Him live on the peak of the peak. Him living at the highest mountain. When plant him weed and him things them, him not mix with society. Him don't even have a blood clot phone. When him want to talk to me, him go and sister and call me or heal me up. Right? When him go and sister, and him sister show him how you go talk about him favorite auntie, him get bitter. Him say, you know, so me go broke up you go. Me go lick you go and face and make you go know. So people, let me tell you something. That me I said to Erica say, because I should depend, so you don't know nobody we can't go move to them. Me say, no, me don't know nobody. Why would I harm my brother? Like why? Be a mix up and theory and imaginary things, imaginary pan me and talk. Yes, my cousin, they're gonna lick off, kick off you go face clean. And lick pussy in her face and make sure know say, you can't disrespect my auntie. Nobody now talk about no killing. And you go never there town and sell no shoes. You're too lie, Puss. You go line out the old shoes them in your yard. Me go resurface that video. The size 7, all of the shoes them are size 7. Some old kill me, kick me. But I don't know who are them shoes there. So now, Chin them now. Chin, Sadie, and Berry start rub Erica. Erica come out and say she do a live. Me say I'm done. Before she come out and do the live. So when we're in the group, she take me out of the 6th group. The main group with me, Fred them, Sadie, Twiggy, Chin never in that group there. Berry never in that group there. It's me, Dan, Twiggy, Fred them, and Sadie, and Erica. She come in at the group and she write a long blood clot essay. Hi guys, I just want to know I'm gonna close down the group. Our job is done. We all come together and bring down the big dirty Puss, and we all can go our separate ways. I want to concentrate on my foot and getting better. So same time, so when she come in at the group, we're up on a group chat. Me, Twiggy, Fred them, Dan come in. Can you can come in on the chat? Yes, sister. Anybody once in the group, you can just add yourself in the chat. Same time, Fred them say, Erica, stop the foolishness. Where you go delete the group? So I say, so Erica, this from me and her kick off for the first time. I said something to her, you know. So I say, Erica, when you delete the group, for leave the group alone all day, yeah. You don't have to delete the group. Mama, by the time I say so, my sister, I come out of the group then. Boop, boop, boop. Everybody come out of the group. Same time, Fred them go so boom and make a group quick. And add the whole of we in the group. And we say, why Erica do that? Like, if you feel the need of don't want to be a part of what we are doing, go on. What upset Erica is because we form a blood clot group and she not in the group because she delete we out of the main group and she don't know what is said because all in her head, you know. When she delete the group, me I go gone, not talk to Dan, not talk to Chin, not talk to Berry, not talk to Sadie, not talk to Twiggy. Everybody gonna separate. That's what I need to say to Chin. Let the girl move her, watch it not. Yo, the girl start kill me, you know. People, me not do the blood clot, woman, nothing. She just start to lick out and oh, she got bed and she dream say, oh, me are the wicked one and me a work, Obia. Liar, tell Erica, this a Anya never mingle with iniquity and nasty things. When you can't, I know when you can't. So come now, we realize, say, the girl said to Dan, say, me say, Dan, me gonna be honest with you, you know, I got my bed, and my dream say Puss and Erica. You know, say Puss talk to Erica, and Dan, I said, no, people, if they gonna find that video, yeah, pretty. I don't know if they can go find a video on YouTube when Erica say, if she talk back to Puss, God kill her one son, Tyler. Erica, you take out for your one blood clot belly pain where you have. You take pussy clot out pan it. And you still go talk back to the big stinking wicked girl. So boom now. Sadie, Chin and Berry start rub. Berry a rub Erica because Erica only game 30 blood clots US. Kingston say him a go kill Berry mother. So Berry a wow there say, look how me cuss Kingston. Kingston coulda come kill. Coulda come kill my mother. Erica 30 blood clot. You da make my mother lose her life. Huh? No, you know. Me no all alive and call Erica name, you know. Me tell her what she do one night. Dawn and Berry live the night. She come for one fake pledge. She just come and start to say, Berry, be careful of Baby Lee. She never at that. She never did a call me name. A Baby Lee she depend. And me say, come right away, me know say she. And me say, yo, me tag the page and me say, move your blood clot, me know who. Me know blood clot who under that page, yeah. Me say, my girl, come off of my friend. Then she start to rub me. You fuck like that, yeah, man. Me say, listen to me, cock him out. Me say, bat him out. Me must say, your man say, you're using him done shit. And your tongue him use and wipe him ass, you know. Batty wash a gal, you know. Big up yourself, diary. Me start rings out the blood clot page.
Hey, guys.
Auntie Dan and Berry know said it was her. When the live done, I called Chin and I said, Chin. I screenshot and I said, Chin, look here. You saw me not trouble Erica. Big up yourself, Mercedes. I say you saw me not trouble Erica. Erica make page. I rub out me and my kids them. I owe me wicked and I want to set up my brother life. And that's so she are going now. Because she upset because we form a group and she do blood clot in the group. Nobody never tell us to delete the main group. Erica, who is you, but you want to control people? Chin said to me same time, Tanya, me go add blood clot Erica to the car because this no fear one. So when she add Erica, Chin, me don't want you come with her get me say move your big blood clot copper foot. Big one, done gun old Erica. Where you fuck your trouble me for? She run off of the phone. Send blood clot Chin, pay my note. How? Puss willing to take back Dan and Chin, but me, I make them go over Puss, make Dan, Chin, Berry go gravel to Puss, and make Puss, all of them, rub me. That you tell Dan, say you're mad, Erica. I'm telling you something. Remember, you know, me end up got sick and got hospital and the hospital for 3 days, I come out and then I go back in for have the baby. Cause it was a wait name them they gonna induce me. Erica and Dan and Chin fucking da Erica called Dan with boot up and I said, Don, go on, listen to this. My boot up tell you about Tanya. Remember boot up a Puss friend, you know. Dan said blood clot. Erica, how are you there? Dan rings out Erica and boot up and hang up her phone. Chin was on it. Even Chin did a cuss blood clot, boot up too. Chin tell me say boot up. Tell her say my baby father have him right out woman and kids. She know the girl we're rallying there with. So me I look her when Raleigh left work. Raleigh come home. Me can't time Raleigh. Raleigh reach home every 5:30 hear my door a pull. Yes, diary. My baby father pull the door and come home. So me run up in a board up inbox and me say, board up. What the blood clot you know about my baby father and me? I don't know anything about you. It's what Erica said. It's what Erica said. I said, board up. Don't call me baby father name in your mouth. Me say, what the fuck do you? How Tanya? Why you do Puss this? Why you fuck? Me say, board up. You know, so me now go over this video. Me say me eat blood clot Puss. And anything me do Puss deserve blood clot. It always pussy clot Puss. But me tell you something, board up. Tell Bigfoot, big blood clot back Erica. Same time when me attack to me a type with boot up, me up on the phone with chin and down. Same time, boot up and forward the things them to Erica. Erica, a message, chin, and I said, look there, see, the girl gone talk to boot up. So chin say, but me know Tanya up on the phone and talk to me. And I tell me that she communicate with boot up at the same time. So that was her next dead end. She want to set me up. Anyway, my rings board up. Black board up. Cut. So board up now. Go on Puss live. Start rub me. I say, I was working undercover long time, Tanya. I hate you long time, Tanya. I don't like you for my Mari days. Do. And that's a shark one. Remember, me no know this tired old blood clot, yep looking face, girl, you know. Whole tired with done, fuck out, retire, prostitute, old girl, boot up, you know. Boot up, start to accost me. Me not pay boot up, my blood clot, man. Me leave boot up for last. Me say boot up, me go find you, you know, but me not ready for you yet. Sky was too much. Dan and Chin and Erica they on the phone. Me there hospital, you know. I'm going for her baby. Erica tell Dan say after Erica go dig up Puss, you know. Puss come back and boot up at them at the live and a ring so me and Dan. Here Erica, me for press live. Me for press live in the hospital. Yeah, me I talk about Bigfoot, Erica, Sasha. Me for the hospital for give birth. When you don't know, when you're going for a baby, you have to have a pure mindset. You have to relax. You can't stress. Because you don't know, say, pregnancy and having baby, it can change so. And things just at my body because the mouth them Puss a rings me, Puss a cuss me baby, Puss de on me. Anyway, Erica said me for come on live. Oh, if Tanya come on live, me come on live. Auntie Dancer with the blood, Erica with the blood clot, yeah, say. Tanya there in the hospital, why should Tanya come on live? Here her. But me see her. Remember now? You know what she do? She blocked me off her Erica Sanders page. But she have me on her fake page and when me know. So I just take her off from my fake page and say, hey, take off her fake page and off from my page. She depend fake page and watch me. Oh, she see me a comment pan down live or chin live. Yeah, me then in the hospital so me can't comment. But me not gonna press live and I scream out me throat and me there hospital. Yo, people, from this on now, big, me say, me there, me have a Sunday, me have baby, people. But me tell you say, no, Puss step on me. Me tell you say, if God was like man, me would have dead long time. Erica said me for dead in a childbirth. Erica start spread rumors. When she go over, she under the quiet, she never do no live yet. She start to tell them, oh, me lose the baby. Oh, my baby still born. And them over there cuss and celebrate. One thing I can't tell you, so all that you know, were over Puss. Una some wicked demon people, you know. Them a celebrate. Yeah, the girl lose her baby. The girl this, the girl that, because that's what I love about Dan when she loyal. Trust me, Sasha. Boom, bam, bam, no. Me have me baby. Erica come out and I say, how I don't know? How I don't know? But you say I'm a friend. I'm a say me take what me say, Erica. You don't take what yourself. Because you see who are the evil and this Erica. You're wicked. I know I don't know what's your motive and why you set up me and Puss. Two take it to public media war. When me and Puss that war in the inbox, with a black car and with a gamma ways and shoot me not like people. Puss never want it go up on the internet. Me I tell you no. So she caused everything. Me not forget. She run out power New Year's Eve. Here, blood clot Erica. This just any other day. Me go buy a phone. You could be a good mother. But you run go buy a phone for run out. Me not forget. Me say Erica live. Me I come back live. And me I go tear on you down. You can't tear me down, Erica. You don't know about me. Me say Erica come pan Puss live. Me say Auntie Dan, me tell you about my dream. You can ask Auntie Dan. Ask Auntie Dan about the dream. Me say Auntie Dan, come on. Me tell you, she was gonna go back to Puss. When she go back to Puss, she start tell Puss say, me send money go give my mother for kill you go. And when she see the killing, she run. Erica, you want to kill? Erica, you did want me tell Auntie Carly lie. So Auntie Carly can set man for blood clot till Puss. But you know, remember your wicked things and what you do, Erica. You understand? And I saw the Erica start to rub. And she start to rub. And she come out. Remember, you know, people. I know me and Dan not take a life for Erica. Yes, so when Erica come out, and me are the first one, remember say I chin, Berry and Sadie, I rub Erica for 1 month straight, you know. Oh, Erica wicked and Erica draw them night and this and that. I know me never type up one bad. I mean, here Puss with the whole argument, everything. Miss Erica sent Puss everything what did in the group, what we talk, what we do, what we put up about Puss. Me I put one video when me I rallying go pick up the kids them and me and him I walk and me I say Puss, look here, me is a family woman. See my baby father there in front of me. Him having pity them back on him back and him and him pity them I walk all that. Simple little innocent video when me drop in at the group. Erica get Puss it. Me don't know why Puss a show it because the way all Puss dumb and bad mind, she just don't know real from reality, people. And that's how the war start. Erica, you come out about killy and this and that and killing and this. Erica, remember, you was the one want me to lie for people kill Puss. I'm tell you, I cannot do that. The lady is not my mother. Tanya, I'm upset with you. I'm upset with you because me I tell you, if I tell the woman, say, the woman where she talk is your mother. Me don't know where Erica come from. Father God, me ask God, say, me don't know this girl just appear up. And just because Puss tell her, say, me take where you go have how much. Puss say, you go get 10 grand, and me take where 10 grand. So, she don't believe Puss, you know. She don't believe Puss. That's why she come at me. Because she want to hear the truth. And I went, me show the truth. Erica, you know, say, me not do you know. Me not know you hate me because the girl will take away your man. She have 5 pitney. Because when it in the group here, you know, me not talk you and down, you know, Tanya. But when you breed early, me say we breed early. Me and Dan breed early, we breed at 15. So you have to talk about we. This is how Erica say because she cannot cuss. Erica is not a blood clot warlord. Erica cuss people about some things when necessary and scream out and beat her body. Just a beat her body so for no reason. So here are, Tanya, yeah, me know you have 5 pitney, you're pregnant, but talk truth. The girl have 5 pitney. Our pussy no must stretch out. Me say, Erica, that means say my pussy stretch out too. Yeah, no. But what they say that? Me say, Erica, let me tell you something. A vagina was made to push out pitney. That what body was made to do that. Having children have nothing to do with your pussy being stretched out. Because mothers, every mother with their fire, so when you not have baby and you're ready for have sex, with vagina tight, with partner can't enter with vagina. When you have baby, your vagina go back so worse. If there's a true clean woman and you're not gonna fuck 6 weeks, me always wait 4 to 5 months for me have intercourse. Me believe in the Jamaican ways. You understand? We can't have sex them early time there. Cause me I can tell you something say, yeah, so you heard, so true I heard that. Yeah, your pussy tight. You understand? You come like you're a virgin. Me wear pad up until my baby are 4 to 5 months. Me not ask Christ. So when she
Anyways, wanna say on? Versus wanna say on? The people them say they see our ID, sir. It not start yet.
I'm writing a new song since we're in a family affair tonight. And it's only right that we play our other brother. Fat Joe. Brand new Fat Joe versus his brand new Fat Joe. The name of this song is called Sunshine. Make sure you stream it on
Thanks,
Apple
Janet.
Music. City. Let's go. New Fat Joe is called Sunshine. Let's go.
Them not ready yet. My video when I put up a post over my page like this over here so I get it. The TV people them video.
This all me do. And then you keep talking about people sitting on her name every day. Bitch, if you call my name every day, I'm gonna call your motherfucking name every day. It's tit for tat around this bitch. You ain't no more than me. I ain't scared of your motherfucking ass. If you call my name, I'm gonna answer your ugly ass.
It's on your day, yeah.
What she said?
And I hear the post. I stroll down because the page have 300 and add posts. I'm not see everything yet. I'm not want to see everything anyways. Not right now. Okay, that's on my reach. Remember, she will have a big pool. The big pool. No pool, but she have a trampoline. At a fair backyard. See it? Oh, I graduation dress this. Like, look my frumps too. When is frumpy? Watch your bag. Like, who wears those kind of purses? Yeah. Oh shit, I should plug in my phone. Watch him in the white people them house. Watch him. Watch him. Like this woman's cray. I know if a pool disappear. In I people them house this a pick watch her I show people them stuff.
So we gotta match it up, match it up, match it up, match it up. So them things the people, feel me? So every day.
Who does that?
Clean up, every day me clean. Right? Plus is brown. And then guess what? The brown. So we gotta match it up, match it up, match it up.
No sir.
There it is.
Wait.
Spraying up the water.
This?
My love, I love, I love, I love, and how we rub a dub a dub.
I share our family this.
Play, and
Fuck her face. I decide 5 minutes later video.
The rest of them, I rode by myself, and I have a license firearm, and I'm not afraid to use it. What? Run up. Why am I gonna make video for me? Tell me where to meet you. You have no class. The rest of them, I rode by myself, and
I don't know why 5 minutes later video there. Fuck man. Okay, I have to stop this bullshit right now. Oh, God.
look on my room, nice and clean. Nice and clean.
That's not her
My
house.
bathroom, nice and clean. Oh, look at my big bathroom. Nice and clean. People, you guys know what I use on the glass? Wind it with ammonia. And I only wipe my floors most of the time with vinegar. It's about it, people. Look on my place, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Do some laundry, people. Laundry day, just folding. Let's go in the attic. Let's go to the attic to fold up the rest of the clothes. Let's go. See my sunroom, nice and clean. Nice and clean. My kitchen, nice and clean. Let's go to the other kitchen. Actually, let's go to the attic. Or, remember, na my yard. What did they say I don't drive? What am say me no drive? What say people?
When I'm seminar drive, Lord, I tell ya, don't listen to hearsay. Worry about no soul or near say or reality. Fox. Let's move on. Look on my room, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Look at my bathroom, nice and clean. Oh, look at my big bathroom, nice and clean. People, you guys know what I use on the glass? Windex with ammonia. And I only wipe my floors most of the time with vinegar. It's about it, people. Look on my place, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Do some laundry, people. Laundry day, just folding. Let's go in the attic. Let's go to the attic. Fold up the rest of the clothes. Let's go. See my sunroom, nice and clean.
No, sir.
Nice and clean. My kitchen, nice and clean. Let's go to the other kitchen.
She's crazy. Oh, nice and clean.
When I keep on saying only us, the black community, then people will be like, oh, Osha, then what? And then, you know what I mean? When I keep on saying only us, the black community, then people will be like, oh, Osha, then what? And then, you know what I mean? You can't. When I keep on saying only us, the black community, then people will be like, oh, Osha, then what? And then, you know what I mean? Did you not know that? When I keep on saying,
How many bathrooms is that so far? Dirty, Frank them. How many? And the attic bathroom.
That's her bathroom.
Donna Karen Tunnel.
Watch this.
So that's what I keep on saying.
Like, whose bathroom look like that?
Bad man are killing the attic furniture go beat in the bottom. How many bathrooms is that so far? Dirty, Frank.
When I want to see no video where she and I dark, I like to play the video them. Oh, we can't see sitting. Watch you white people them place.
my daughter, good up room. Let's go up the bathroom then, please.
Stam, what right name?
My
Osha.
daughter's bathroom.
Osha Sanders or something like that.
That's a one bathroom. My good up laundry room. Dirty fret them and Tanya who are click and clang.
If you're looking at the ads paper, you will see, you will find her
My good up room.
in there like cleaning part.
My good up room. I go. My good up bathroom. My big nice shower. How much bathroom that too? Me not in need of clothes. Me not in need of shoes and bag and clothes. No time. No time. My daughter, good up room. Let's go up the bathroom then, please, and talks. My daughter's bathroom.
What a bitch lie and wicked. No, sir. Okay, I could go back over versus. How are this? Let me see how are this. Oh, she and I white people then.
Nowhere. And am I seeing room this? No?
Chin face.
And am I seeing room this? And am I seeing bathroom this? All of the problem with the kids in the hospital there. All of the problem with the kids in the hospital there. All of my name and stuff. Kids in the hospital. Even my daughter iPad I beat them bad. I love them. My daughter Lewis. The other kid's iPad. Guess what?
Did it start over? Sorry. Oh no, it's still a go. She must show people them house. Smart somewhere where she work. I show people them stuff. Watch her show people them Louis Vuitton.
The Burberry scarf.
Like who walks around their house and show live what they have like that?
The travel coach up. You guys had fun? You guys behaved? You guys shot till you drop? Yeah, no worries. No. No. I'm bringing that bag with me now. I'm gonna dump that bag. And, what? Okay. Is Tan upstairs? Is Tan upstairs? Okay. Yeah.
what going in your
I know what a country noise, eh? You guys are going now?
Mother man sound. Her face kills me. Watch him. She's crazy.
Me wanna get naked.
Say what?
That is the world that I am taking.
Yeah.
Now what time this a start?
Tap out, man. What it do, baby? You know I love you.
I lost count after night.
A little collection.
Started over like when you.
Girl, I can't be right.